Today it's all about sets, naming a set, finite, infinite, null, cardinality, and subsets. First, let's define what is set. A set is a well-defined group of objects called elements that share a common characteristics. So kapag sinabing set, well-defined group, ibig sabihin specific group sila at yung group na yon or each member of the group is called an elements. As sets are named with capital letters, while elements are the members of the set which are named with small letters. There are different methods to name a set. First, a listing or roster method. This method of describing sets by listing down the elements contained in it. So identify the object and list down the elements in each set. We have set A, B, and C. For set A, we have algebra book, comic book, and magazine. For set B, meron tayong baseball, basketball, and soccer ball. And for set C, we have construction paper, notebook, and yellow paper. These three are examples of listing or roster method. Kumbaga, ililist lang natin or ililista natin yung mga elements with the same characteristics. So for set A, ang mga elements nito ay algebra book, comic book, and magazine. So maaring ang group na to ay group of or lists of reading materials. For set B, we have the following: baseball, basketball, and soccer ball. So this may be a group of balls. So dito sa set B. Sa set C, meron tayong construction paper, notebook, and yellow paper. So pwedeng a group of writing materials. Again, lahat ng mga nakalist ay tinatawag nating elements. At ang ABC ay tinatawag nating set. Okay? And these examples are listing or roster method. On the other hand, we have this what we call the rule method or set builder notation. So, iba yung rule method sa set builder notation. So, pag sabing set builder notation, oftentimes use mathematical symbol instead of words. So, let's have this A, B, and C. For letter A, the set of reading materials. So, this one is a rule method. And then, I'm sorry, yeah, it says it's a rule method. Okay, for B, the set of balls. And C, the set of writing materials. Okay? Now, for listing method, halimbawa, meron tayong A, set A, which is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Sa rule method, pwede siyang set A equals the set of natural numbers between 2 and 8. Okay, as we all know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are natural numbers. So, nag-start yung natural numbers sa count 1, 2, 3, and so on. And then, between, so meron siyang pagitan, 2 and 8. So, ano yung mga numbers between 2 and 8? And those are 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Sa set builder notation naman, gagawa ka ng notation. Okay? Halimbawa, this is a set A. So, meron tayong 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, in set builder notation, pwede siyang x such that x is a natural number where x is greater than 2 but less than 8. So, pag binasa, set A read as set A is the set of all x such that x is greater than 2 but less than 8. Or such that x is a natural number where x is greater than 2 but less than 8. So, pag binasa mo siya, ganon. So, parang iisipin mo, ano ba yung number x or ano ba yung mga numbers, natural number na x na greater than 2 pero less than 8. And those are 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, is a representation this set is a representation of listing method. This set is a representation of rule method, and this one is a representation of set builder notation. Madaling makita kung set builder siya kapag meron siyang ganitong symbol. Okay? And then pag rule naman, the set of mga ganon. A group of, yan, rule method. And kapag nakalist, listing method siya. Alright. So, list down the elements described in each set. So, let's start with this one. E. Set E is the first three even counting numbers. Ano ba yung first three even counting numbers? So, let's see later. M is the set of whole numbers between 0 and 10. Y? Sige, ipakita muna natin lahat. Okay. Sa letter E, the first three even counting numbers. Ano ba yung first three even counting numbers? So, these are 2, 4, and 6. Ang counting numbers kasi ay nag-start sa, nag-start siya sa 1, no? Counting kasi. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole number is nag-start sa 0. So, 1, 2, 3. And then, even number siya. So, first 3 even. Ano ba yung first 3 even? Yung mga naunang even numbers. These are 2, 4, and 6. And tatlo lang yung kailangan natin dito sa ating letter E. And then, this letter E, okay, itong letter E na to ay, ano siya, it's a rule method, no? Yung pagkakasulat. Sa letter M, okay, the set of whole numbers between 0 and 10. Again, this is a rule method. So, ano ba yung whole number? These are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, between 0 and 10. Ano ba yung mga numbers between 0 and 10? These are 1, 2, 3 to 9. Okay? And then, Y is, this one is a set builder notation. And these are odd numbers, odd counting numbers, where x is greater than 10 and less than 20. And what are those numbers which are greater than 10 but less than 30? That are odd numbers. These are 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So these are the numbers in set Y. And then, itong pinapakita natin itong mga sagot ay mga listing method naman. Kung napapansin nyo, we'll list them. Okay? And then, for the R, the set of the last 5 two-digit number. What do you think are the set of the last 5 two-digit number? What are those? Okay? Last 5 two-digit number. And these are, okay, so we have 99, 98, 97, 96, and 95. These are the last two digits because after 99 is 100. So, 3 digit na yan. And then, our R is a rule method and our answer is a list method. Okay, next. O or set O is the set of x such that x is less than 4. X is divisible by 3. What are the numbers that are less than 4? At the same time, pwede mong i-divide sa 3. And there is only one, right? That is only 3. This 3 is less than 4. At the same time, 3 is divisible by 3. You can divide 3 by 3. And then, finally, for letter S, the set of whole numbers less than 5. And these are 0, 1, 2. Why 0 is included? Because it is a whole number. Whole number starts at 0. Next, E is the set of the former women president of the Philippines. And who are they? These are Cory Aquino and Gloria Macapagal. Okay, so we have set E. Okay, so I hope it is very clear now what is the difference between or among listing method, rule method, and set builder notation. Now, let's proceed to this one. C is equal to the set of grade 7 students who are 1 year old. Is that possible? Is there a 1 year old 1 year old grade 7 student? Letter T or set T is the set of letters between B and C. Is there any letters between B and C? Meron ba? 3. A set, okay, the set of wild animals in the room or in this room. If we are in a regular classroom, is there a wild animals in the regular classroom? Meron ba? 4. Set S, the set of counting numbers less than 1. Is there a counting numbers less than 1 wherein counting numbers starts at 1? And 5. Set E, the set of counting numbers between 10 and 11. Is there a counting numbers between 10 and 11? Maybe you are thinking about 10.1, 10.2, 10.3. Those are not counting numbers. Okay, those are decimals. Okay, or rational numbers. So, these examples are what we call the empty set or null set. That can be represented through the use of this one or this one. This is in an empty set and this one is a null set. Okay. So, empty set or null set are set that has no element. So, to represent C, this can be written as C equals an empty set or a null set. Okay? Now, let's proceed to this example. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to R. C, the set of wild carabaos in this room. D, the set of whole numbers between 11 and 20. E, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What can you say with this? Okay, so there is a possibility that we can list them, tama? And this one is an example of finite set, which means is a set of specific numbers or number of elements which are countable. So, pwede mo siyang ma-count. Can we consider letter C a finite set? Yes, because empty set is a finite set. I repeat, empty set is a finite set. So, pag sabing finite, meron siyang hangganan. Okay? While this one. So, these are examples of infinite set where f is equal to 1, 2, 3 ellipses. Ibig sabihin ng ellipses na yan, wala siyang hangganan. The set of even numbers, again, there are so many even numbers, right? And then the set of whole numbers greater than 100, and there are so many whole numbers greater than 100. And then for this one, there is an ellipsis here below negative 2. So ano ba yung mga numbers yan? So marami. And these are examples of infinite set. In short, it's a set that we cannot count the number of elements in a set. So we cannot count them. Okay? So, before we proceed to cardinality of set, again, we have the infinite set and finite set. Finite set are countable set. We can consider an empty set or null set as a finite set. Infinite set are not countable set. Hindi mo sila mabilang. You cannot count them. That's why we call them infinite set. From the word infinity, unending. Okay, cardinality of a set. It is a number of elements contained in the given set. So, number of elements contained in the given set. So, kung ilan yung set or kung ilan yung mga elements sa isang set, yun ang tinatawag nating cardinality. Yun yung bilang nila. Halimbawa, NA, the cardinality of a set, pag binasa mo siya, or the cardinality of set A. So, give the cardinality of the following. So, we have the following. For A, we have Quezon, Rojas, and Magsaysay. So, what is the cardinality of set A? And that is equal to 3. We only have 3 elements. We have Quezon, Rojas, and Magsaysay. For the next one, the set of vowels A, E, O, U. And the answer is 5. So the cardinality or the cardinal number of set B is equal to 5. How about the cardinal number of set C, the set of letters in the word algebra? So the cardinality is equal to 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mean to say, we can also count uh, the letters even though it is it they are repeating, no? Kahit umuulit sila, we can count them. We can include them. So halimbawa in the word algebra, letter A repeats, no? So ibig sabihin, pwede natin siyang ibilangin pa. So counted yung isang A pa. So we have 7 letters for the word algebra, and that's the cardinality of the set C. Okay, so I hope malinaw na ang cardinality. Let's proceed to the next one. We have this what we call subset. So pag sabing subset, ano ba yung subset? The elements are found in the given first set. So we have the given, meron tayong isang set, and then pag sabing subset, ito yung, meron siyang mga elements dito na makikita sa pinaka-universal set o yung pinaka-set nila. Halimbawa, can we consider F, by the way, this is the symbol for subset, no? This is the symbol for our subset. Yung parang letter yun na nakahiga and then meron siyang line sa ilalim. Okay? So, F is the subset of M. Is that correct? Can we look to the letter F? And then, meron bang mga numbers si F kay M? Let's see. 2, check. 3, check. 4, check. Therefore, F is a subset of M. How about if we will add N, wherein the numbers of N are 2, 4, 7? Is it true that N is not? Pag not subset, maglalagay ka naman na, kumbaga yung linya sa ilalim, gagawin mo siyang slash naman dito. So, N is not a subset of M. Let's see. Is there a 2? There is a 4, pero walang 7. So, therefore, N is not a subset of M. Basta meron siyang, nandoon yung mga elements ng first set doon sa second set na sinasabi natin. Okay? Ito yung first, doon sa first set. Okay? Basta yung second set, meron siyang elements doon sa first set. Okay? Siya ay subset niya. No? So, again, M is a subset of M. M itself, correct. Kahit yung self niya, pwede niya maging subset. Okay? Pwede kong kunin yung buo niya at gawin ko siyang subset. As simple as that. So, empty set is a subset of every set. I repeat. Pag sinabing empty set, sinabi ko na kanina yung empty set, it is null set. Diba? Yung wala siyang elements. So, yung empty set, subset siya ng lahat ng set. So, ibig sabihin, if there's an empty set here, okay, subset siya ng M, subset siya ng F, at subset siya ng N. Kasi nga, subset of every set eh. It doesn't have any element that is not found in a given set. So therefore, let's say that we have letter J here, and J is equal to empty set or null set. So therefore, J is a subset of M. At the same time, J is a subset of F. And J is a subset of N. So, ganun siya. Okay? So, now, test yourself. Use the most appropriate symbol, the subset or not subset, to show the relationship between each pair. Okay. A is the set of letters in English alphabet. B is the set of vowels in English alphabet. B is a subset of A? Meron bang element si B na nandoon lahat kay A? Ano ba yung kay B? Vowels of alphabet. Nandito ba sila sa letters of English alphabet? Correct. So therefore, it is a subset of A. Next, the set of two-digit numbers between 50 and 90. Z, 55, 65, 75, 85, and 95. Z is a subset of Y. Let's see. Bit 50 and 90. Meron isang 95. So there is one numbers that is, not considered here. So therefore, it is not a subset. Next, C is the set of students in the class. D, the set of boys in the class. So can we consider that D is a subset of C since it is all the set of students in the class. So merong lalaki dyan for sure. So therefore, it is a subset. D is a subset of C. Okay? So meron siyang mga elements na makikita kay C. Alright. We have another. So M equals 10, 11, 12 to 19 and the set of two-digit numbers. So is N is a subset of M? Okay. Here, the set of two-digit numbers. There are so many two-digit numbers. We have 20, 21, 22, 20. Wherein, kulang ito. Pero kung babaliktarin natin siya, M is a subset of N. But N is not the subset of M. Kasi mas marami ito eh. Kailangan mas konti yung nauuna. Okay? And then, for letter E, 5, letter E, counting number greater than 25 but less than 35. And we have here 26 to 34. So, can we consider that F is a subset of E? Yes. Kasi less than, greater than 25, so start with 26. And less than 35, so we have 34. And these are all counting numbers. Now, the number of subsets. So how to put numbers of subsets. So find the subsets of each of the following sets. How many subsets you have in each particular case. So we have this. Bibilangin natin ngayon yung number of subset natin. So we have Maria. Ilang subsets siya meron ang Maria. So we have the null. Just like what I've said, empty set is the subset of all elements or of all sets. So meron tayong empty sets agad and then the word Maria. So we have two number of subsets. Okay, so we have these elements, Jose and Pio. First, we have the null, automatic, Jose, Pio. At the same time, Jose and Pio because the set itself is a subset. Diba? So we have 4. So therefore, 4 or 2 squared. And finally, we have ABC. So you start with null. Then, paghiwa-hiwalay muna natin yung ABC. And then, tambal-tambalin natin sila by pair. And then finally, yung kanyang kabuuan. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. In short, in finding the subsets of the number of subsets of a set, so we have the formula 2 raised to n. Okay? So just the n is the number of number of elements in a given set. So here we have 1, 2, 3, so that's 2 raised to 3. Here we have 1 and 2, so we have 2 raised to 2. And here we have only one element, so we have 2 raised to 1. That's why the number of elements is 2, and the number of subsets is 2, 4, and 8. So that's all about for the sets, naming a set, finite, infinite, null, cardinality, and subset. With that, thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. Goodbye.